How to enable or disable detect compromise password on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to password. And password, okay, you can enter your iPhone passcode to view save password. Okay, you can enter the passcode. And after you enter the passcode, okay, here in password, you can see the security recommendation. Okay, you can tap this and now you can see the detect compromise password. And the detect compromise password is disabled. Okay, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this enable, iPhone can securely monitor your password and alert you if they appear in known data leak. And okay guys, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, you have successfully enabled or disabled detect compromise password on iPhone X.